Hey everyone, it's Sunday today and not doing anything super exciting today. I've just finished filming my spotlight haul for you guys, and I also finished filming my planner organization supply video as well, and just about to have breakfast. I've made some grilled bacon, an omelette, some mushrooms cooked in butter, and that's it. And then I've got a coffee as well with a bit of cream in it, so we're having that for breakfast. My husband's home today until about 4. I think he starts work at 4, so it's just me and Jessie today. So we're probably going to be doing a little barbecue for for dinner. And yeah, there's not really much happening today apart from me editing videos. So yeah, it'll probably be a pretty short video today, but I'll at least show you what we're eating and if anything exciting happens. Okay, so here's breakfast. We've got, my husband wanted a couple of hamburger patties cooked up as well, but we've got, I've got the light on, is that better? We've got some mushrooms fried up in butter, we've got omelette, and we've got bacon. So that's gonna feed all 3 of us. Probably, there'll probably be some left over for the dogs, I'd say, as well. But yeah, that's quite a good low carb breakfast right there, and that should keep us going until dinner time. Like pretty much after eating all that, you're not really that hungry to eat anything else. So that's breakfast. Is it still early or is it nearly lunchtime? Oh God, no, this is brunch. It's 11:20. Oh well. There's my husband eating his, what do we call it? Breakfast of champions. How is it? Any good? Yeah, it's all right. Ladies decent? Yep.
They'll have to do, I guess.
Oh, okay, thanks. Okay, we'll just go outside and make sure Jessie's doing her chores. I've asked her to clean her school bag out. I like to do this at least like every school holidays because, I don't know, my kids are gross. They always have like rotten food and all sorts at the bottom. Oh, is it? Okay, hold on. I'll flip you around and show you. So you should empty all the rubbish out of it first. See how there's a paper packet in the pocket there. And the whole point of hosing it is to get inside the bag.
It is getting inside. It's fucking fabric.
Oh, language!
You don't even care. You're just saying that because it's on video.
I know.
Hey, look, there's Rolly. My pride and joy.
Hey, Rolly. It's a nice day today, Rolly. Can you get past the gate? Yeah, because I don't want to get zapped. Hello. Hello. Aww. Was your birthday the other day, wasn't it? You're big 10 years old now. Hey? You don't like me much, do you? Yeah, see, your knickers when Jessie comes. Just wants Jessie. Not me. See, this is who he loves. He doesn't like me. Aww.
This is a white shirt, Rolly.
Oh, God.
It's so cute, though. You're cute.
Look how much he loves her. He's such a weirdo for us. Oh, you're such a weirdo, Rolly.
Who likes her? Oh, yeah. Yes, they do.
Say hello to the dog.
Be nice, big dog. Be nice.
Hey!
Yeah.
You're so nasty, Chaos. No wonder you're such a vicious animal. Show me your bag. Did you do the cat litter, Jess?
Yeah.
You did not. I bet that poo is still sitting on the floor.
Why did you ask?
I just wanted to see if you'd lie. Have a look. Look at that. There's still stuff at the bottom of her bag. Now it's all soggy stuff at the bottom of her bag. There's crumbs and everything in there. Jesus Christ. Just do the job. No, I'm stuck doing it again. Oh unbelievable, these kids. They're freaking open. She does it on the grass so that it's full of dirt and grass. Don't ask for much. I don't ask for much. This is parsley.
Freshly picked.
They're so strange. Is that normal?
That was my finger.
They sit there like it's a piece of meat or something. Is it good for them? Has it got any benefits for them?
It does.
Parsley.
I give them some parsley every day.
They don't need anything else too.
I don't eat the coriander, but I'll eat
I
that.
think there's a lot of people that don't like coriander. I love coriander.
Great, but they love the Italian parsley.
Try, just see what they do with the coriander.
Italian parsley.
They're connoisseurs. Try a piece of coriander. It looks the
I don't like
same.
any coriander.
Just see if they know the difference.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll eat it now.
I like coriander.
He ate it. Big dog ate it.
That's so strange.
They actually
Yeah,
chewed
they
it.
actually ate it.
What are you doing now, lady?
Give me the dogs water.
Oh,
Jeez,
good
look
girl.
at their bowls.
I know, they're parched dry. Well, I've washed your bag for you. Well,
Also, the cat litter needs doing, so just get on that as soon as possible.
big spider. Yeah, thanks, lady.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I've seen all this. I remember you setting up this gym. I'm just trying to avoid it like the plague. So really, there's no excuse for me to be fat, is there? We have our own gym at home. Are you supposed to be in here?
No.
Are you
Yeah.
supposed to be in here? So yeah, I should be working out in here. I probably will one day. That's me. There's all my cardio equipment. That's what I should be on. At least the treadmill to start with. Bruce Lee up there. Do you work out in here?
Huh?
Do you work out in there?
Every day.
Every day?
That's why I look like this.
Oh, okay. Well, you are looking very skinny
Yeah.
after
Yeah.
you've done your keto diet.
Have a look at the poor dogs.
Yeah, this is one reason why not to get a husky. They only molt twice a year, but it's for 6 months at a time. They're just losing their winter coat now, and that makes a good nest for all the birds. The birds all come and swoop that up and put that in their nest. It's the warmest nest ever. Have a look at it. Poor dogs.
Have a look at this nice summer fur that
I
under
know,
there.
it's looking nice. They always look like in some stage of shagginess. He doesn't like it, but he tolerates it. He never looks as shaggy as Chaos
He does sometimes, but
Does
this
he?
year he doesn't.
He looks very even.
His fur hasn't even come out.
No.
Look, I mean, just a little bit. That's nothing for a little husky.
Oh. This is why they can't really be indoor dogs. Well, not in my house anyway.
I think he's allergic to his own fur.
I think he's just allergic to me.
Yeah.
Jesus, husky! Yuck.
He'll growl in a minute. Keep going.
Oh. It's all going in your
it's
gym.
all going
I was
in
just
the
going to say, it's all going in the gym now.
Blow it all back out.
Oh, look at that. Nice. Okay, so it's coming to the end of the night now. Michael's gone to work. He's doing night shift tonight. So I'm just making a barbecue for me and Jess. And we're having lamb because Micah doesn't like lamb, and the only chance we really get to have lamb is when he's at work. So I'll do this one-handed now. Ooh, smelling good. So this is our lamb cook. I mean, obviously we're not going to eat all of this, but I always cook the whole pack, because then we usually have probably one of these per night, but then it keeps us going for the next couple of days with something to snack on for lunch as well. Because Jessie she's pretty much keto by default. She doesn't she likes meat, and she's happy to just eat meat. I even asked her if she wanted to me to make her some rice or something to go with it, and she's like, no, just want the meat. So yeah, this will keep us going. We'll get dinner out of this. She'll probably have one for breakfast and lunch, and probably dinner tomorrow. And yeah, so it'll keep us going for a little while. And they're looking quite good, nearly ready. I'll keep the lid on. What do you think, big dog? You want a lamb chop as well? These dogs don't like lamb for some reason. They go all funny when I cook lamb. When I cook any other meat, they're fine, but every time I cook lamb, they act really weird. He's normally barking at it for some reason. But yeah. Hey, big dog. So, yeah, I'm sorry it's very dark. There goes the dogs going crazy. A bit brighter. Yeah, so I've just pretty much spent all day today editing videos. So I have a few videos to upload for you guys over the next week. And yeah, so it's been a pretty boring day as far as vlogging goes. Not sure what we're doing tomorrow. Probably nothing too exciting, but we do have Jessie's birthday on Tuesday, so I'll probably, yeah, definitely do a bit of vlogging for that and get my practice on. So yeah, I might I won't sign off just yet, just in case I want to come back and chat to you guys for a little bit. But yeah, we'll just have our dinner and I'll get back to editing. You can see here I'm just editing my spotlight haul video, getting that ready to upload. This was done first thing in the morning, so I feel like I look very tired. But anyway.